Good morning everyone, I am Rafi Beg and today our group will present on the dynamic role of women in the Pakistan movement. When we study the Pakistan movement, we usually remember Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah and other leaders. However, Muslim women also played a vital role in achieving Pakistan. They participated in political activities, organized campaigns and supported the Muslim League. Today we will discuss their important contribution. Historical background. The Pakistan movement began with the formation of All India Muslim League in 1906 to protect the rights of Muslims. Later important events like Allahabad Address in 1930 and the Lahore Resolution in 1940 strengthened the demand for a separate homeland. Between 1940 and 1947, the movement became more active and during this period, women also started participating on a large scale. Status of Muslim women. Before the Pakistan movement, most Muslim women lived under the Parda system, had limited education, and really took part in politics. Things began to change during the Khilafat movement when women like B. Amma encouraged female participation. Gradually, more educated women joined social and political activities, preparing themselves for a greater nation role. Why women participation became important? Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah believed that no nation could succeed without the support of its women. Women helped by organizing meetings, encouraging families to vote, spreading political awareness, and supporting the Muslim League during the 1946 election. Their participation proved that the Pakistan movement had the support of the entire Muslim community. This was my part. Now I invite our second presenter who will explain the dynamic role of women and their political, social and educational contribution. Thanks so much.
Dynamic role of women. Now I will explain the dynamic role of women in the Pakistan movement. The role of women keep expanding as the movement progressed. In the beginning, they mainly attend meetings and raised funds. However, after the Women's Central Subcommittee was established in 1938, women became more actively involved. They organized public rallies, participated in election campaigns, and even joined civil disobedience movements. Their courage inspired many other Muslim women to support the struggle for Pakistan. Political contributions. Women also made important political contributions. They went from door to door, encouraged Muslim families to vote for the Muslim League. During the 1946 elections, some women also addressed public meetings and became members of legislative assemblies. Leaders like Begum Jahan Ara Shahnawaz and Begum Shaista Ikramullah represented Muslim women and worked for their rights. Their efforts helped strengthen the political position for the Muslim League. Social contributions. Besides politics, women also play a major social role. They collected donations, cared for injured people, and helped families affected. Many women worked in refuge camps, provided medical aids, and supported displaced families. Their humanitarian work reduced the suffering from thousands of people during a very difficult time. Education contributions. Women also believed that education was the key of national progress. Leaders like Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan and Fatma Jinnah encouraged female education and supported the establishment of schools and training institutions. They believed that education women would strengthen families and contribute to the development of new nation. This completes my part of presentation. Now I would like to invite our third presenter who will discuss the important women's organization and the contribution of major women leaders in the Pakistan movement.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Now I will discuss the important women organizations during the Pakistan movement to organize women effectively. The Muslim League established the Women's Central Subcontinent in 1938. The continent encouraged women to take a part in political organizations like the Muslim Women's Students Federations and Provincial Women's Committees, increased political awareness among students and women across different regions. This organization played a key role in mobilizing support for the Pakistan movement. Slide major women leaders. Two of the most influential leaders were Fatma Jinnah and Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan. Fatma Jinnah stood beside Quaid-e-Azam throughout the movement. She inspired women to participate in police and later organize relief work for refugees during partition. Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan promoted women's welfare, organized volunteer groups, and later founded the Ali Pakistan Women's Association APWA to support women education and social development. Many other women also made valuable contributions. Begum Jahan Ara Shah Nawaz and Begum Shaista Ikramullah represented Muslim women in politics and became members of Pakistan's first Constituent Assembly. Lady Abdullah Haroon worked for women's education and social welfare, while Begum Vikarunisa non-organized rallies encouraged women to join the movement and later contributed to educational development. Slide other contributors. Besides these famous leaders, many other women also supported the Pakistan movement. B. Amna encouraged Muslim women to participate in public life during the Khilafat movement. Begum Salma Tasdiq Hussain worked for relief and welfare. Fatma Sugra became a symbol of courage through her patriotic actions, and Mumtaz Shah Nawaz actively campaigned for the Muslim League. This concludes my part. Now I invite our final presenter who will discuss the challenges faced by women, their role during the 1946 elections and partitions, and the lasting impact of their contribution.
Thank you. Now I will discuss the challenges faced by women during the Pakistan movement. Women had to overcome many social and political difficulties. Most families believed that women should stay at home under the Parda system and should not participate in politics. Despite these restrictions, many women joined the relays and protests. They faced criticism, police baton charges, arrests, and even risked their life for the cause of Pakistan. Their courage inspired many others to support the movement. Women also played an important role during the 1946 elections by encouraging Muslim families to vote for the Muslim League. Their campaigns helped the League achieve a major victory. During the partition of 1947, women worked tirelessly in refugee camps. They provided food, medical care, and shelter to displaced families. Their humanitarian efforts helped thousands of people during one of the most difficult periods in history. The contribution of women had a lasting impact on Pakistan. Their participation strengthened the Pakistan movement and proved that women could contribute equally to national development. After independence, many women continued working in education, social welfare, and politics. Their efforts also inspired future generations of Pakistani women to become leaders and serve the country. In conclusion, the Pakistan movement was not only the struggle of great male leaders, but also the result of the dedication and sacrifice of thousands of Muslim women. From political campaigns to social welfare and refugee relief, women played a dynamic role in making Pakistan a reality. Their courage, determination, and hard work remain an important part of our national history. Thank you for your kind attention. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Thank you.